Hey friends, so something really incredible happened last week, and I've been holding off on this video because I can't even believe it happened. Like, it still feels like it happened so fast, like overnight, but really it's been like 6 years in the making. But yeah, I just hit 5,000 kind and amazing, awesome people in our little art community, in our little corner of the internet. And that's just such a huge deal for me. I can't believe we're here. It's like, what is happening? That last video did so well. Like, I'm still pinching myself. It has 20,000 views in 10 days. Like, and it's so funny too, because I was so hesitant to put that video out. I had thought about the idea a long time ago, and I was like, is this dumb? Is this stupid? Is anyone gonna care? Like, everyone's gonna already know who these people are. No one's gonna care. Yeah, and that video just did so well. So I just wanted to come on here really quick and extend a very, like, the biggest thank you. Like, if I could give you a hug right now, I would. Like, just get get in here for the real thing, because I wish I could hug each and every one of you guys. And I really want to celebrate with you. So I was thinking, what better way to celebrate than a 5K Q&A? Um, because I realized I've never introduced myself on my own YouTube channel, and I also really want to get to know you guys. So I thought it would be nice to just kind of do a little ask and answer situation. So you guys can ask me anything you want. It could be about life, it could be about art, it could be about the behind the scenes of having a YouTube channel. Honestly, whatever you guys want to know, I am here for it. And if you want, like, leave your questions in the comments on this video so I can answer them in another video. But also, if you want, I would love it if you would answer a question for me, so we can get to know each other better and I can get to know who is in this little art community that we have. Um, and I want to know what is bringing you joy lately. And it could be something big or something small. Like, for me, what has been bringing me joy lately, this is going to be really embarrassing and probably just like date me, but I recently just started watching The Summer I Turned Pretty. I finally gave in. Amazon was like, watch this. And I was like, fine already, I will watch it. And I loved it. And I binged the entire first season in one day. And now I'm all caught up. But do not ask me which team I am on, because I cannot answer that for you right now. I am very much in the middle. So that's been bringing me a ton of joy lately. Yesterday, I bought a pumpkin pie for no reason. I was like, what are you doing here in the grocery store, pumpkin pie? It's the middle of summer. You're not due here for another few months. But I bought it and I've been eating it for breakfast. So that's been bringing me joy. So yeah, leave whatever's been bringing you joy in the comments below, and also your questions, because I am super excited to answer them and get to know you guys on a better level. And I'm just super stoked for what's to come for this art channel. And yeah, I just feel so fortunate. Like, I just am like, what is even happening right now? I've dreamt about this for like 10 years and it's like happening. And I'm so glad you're here for it, because you are legitimately what makes it so special and so meaningful. Like, the other day, I had someone in the comments and they were like, I love watching your videos, but I feel like I don't have time to make art right now because I just had a baby. And I commented back and I was like, first off, congratulations on having a baby. And second, I was like, I feel like you should make art today. Like, and I gave her a suggestion. I said, throw some paint on that baby's hands and do little handprint art. And that way you and your baby can make art together, and it's like a lot easier. And then, to my shock and surprise, I was like, man, this girl is a go-getter. The next day in my DMs, I got the sweetest message. And I got some art, some handprint art that she and her baby had made together. And she was so creative. Like, she took it to the next level and she did feet and hands and turned it into like a butterfly. And I was just, yeah, I was just like, this is what makes all this work and everything just like so meaningful and so special. So yeah, I just want to say thank you, and I'm just so stoked. I still am kind of at a loss for words. I'm sorry this video isn't more coherent. And I'm sorry it's late. I honestly was a little worried. I was like, this isn't gonna stick. It's gonna be embarrassing if I put this video out and then I don't have 5,000 subscribers. But yeah, thank you guys. Looking forward to doing a Q&A to celebrate and looking forward to growing this channel. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it so much. Okay, bye.
Hi, this is Editing Sam. I just edited this video and watched it back, and I'm about to post it, and I just can't even believe I'm posting this video. Yeah, I already said thank you, so I won't say it for the millionth time, but I just want you to know how much it means to me. Like, it's hard for me to put it into words, and that video was so, like, messy. But, yeah, just thank you guys so much. I'm so stoked, and this is, like, such a pinch me moment, and I'm so excited. I also think I'm about to get my period because I was just watching a YouTube short of a horse who got a balloon stuck to his back leg and he was freaking out and it made me cry. So I think I'm just emotional right now, but thank you guys so much again, and I'm gonna go. Bye.